All, I want to share my perception of the state of Indian society after 75 years of independent governance. Lack of basic survival needs for many, like food, drinking water, sanitation, protection from natural forces, etc. Lack of basic infrastructure like roads, commutation, power, etc. Very poor objectives, methods, and outcomes, both in general education and professional education. The quality of doctors, teachers, engineers, lawyers on an average is alarming. Expensive and unreliable healthcare. Very disproportionate mental health professionals. A classic example of the treatment given to the subjects in the concurrent list. You can evade showing the other. Crisis in cultivation, unemployment, poor opportunities and unequal access to opportunities, regional imbalances and migration, illegitimate representation of political power, non existence of public opinion, non separation of executive and legislature at higher levels, weak local bodies, excessive centralization of political and executive power, crony capitalism, nepotism, market control, red tapeism, corruption, lack of transparency and accountability in governance, high taxation, unrealized manufacturing potential, fanaticism, intolerance, majoritarianism in religion and political ideology, paid media, state mafia, paid narrative builders, election management professionals, corruption perception in higher judiciary, unequal access to justice, decline in research, lack of investment in human resources, unrealized talent, lack of data mining, particularly the traditional ones, insensitivity to environment, lack of planning of natural resources for future generations, and so on and on and on. No doubt India have achieved some extraordinary things as an independent entity. Had not a satellite be sent into space, you would not be listening to me now. But I think the access to the opportunities, resources, and factors of production is highly unequal, and the performance, both as a national and individuals, is far below the potential. I claim that there is one thing, only one thing, that fixes all the ills of the Indian society in the most economical way: the UPC. The rest are only like dosing the symptoms. I wonder why what I contemplate by saying UPC did not occur to the intellectuals of our country and politicians, of course. I shall discuss the details of UPC in another talk. Thank you.